Three, two, one, go. Hey, this is Nom, founder of Nom Nom Data. And in this video, we will show you how to automate your PDF into JSON. What you get by doing this is data from PDFs faster and with less errors. And you kind of increase your productivity, and there's a pretty significant cost savings, especially when you start doing things at scale. And this is all without the headaches of higher salaries for employees, having to train people, turnover, data input errors, and any of the other issues that kind of come from manual data entry and processing. So the very first step of automating data from PDFs into JSON is creating a shared space that the Nom Nom apps can access PDFs. Today we're using DigitalOcean. You can also use Amazon S3. And so we have this demo folder inside of the NND demo space. And then in there is a PDF converter sample PDF that we're going to basically extract the text from that PDF and then show it to you inside the database. Normally in an organization, these files are placed automatically in this space, which will generate thousands of files. Nom Nom Data has apps that do this for you automatically, and these files can exist in your emails, shared folders, online order submissions, or any other way that you get PDF files. So once you get your files there, step one is done. All right, step two is configuring the database for the Nom Nom Data app to use. Here's the database that I'm using. Here's the code to create the basic tracking table that will have the files. And here's the line to just kind of feed the data for what the app will need in order to process. We're going to create a table that's used to kind of track the files that exist. And normally this kind of tracking is automated. Whatever system that's placing your files will need to enter information into this database so that the Nom Nom Data PDF to JSON app will know which files that you want to process. The Nom Nom Data has apps that can do this for you if you just have a whole bunch of files in a DigitalOcean space, or if you have emails that have lots of attachments. Nom Nom Data has apps that can go scan those email addresses, download the attachments, and put them in DigitalOcean space. And then once there's enough information here, you can see that I've added a single row. It matches the demo PDF converter sample that we have. Then the Nom Nom Data app can be configured to point to this table and grab the necessary information it needs to go pick up the PDF from the DigitalOcean space and then parse the JSON. All right, last step is to configure the Nom Nom Data app that reads the PDFs and then actually creates the JSON. So we're on the task page here. We're going to hit create task, and then we're going to search for the PDF to JSON converter, and then click here on select to go to the create page. Once you're on the create page, give it a name, and then fill out the rest of the data here with your personal information. It'll connect to the database that we connected to and created in the past, and then it'll be connecting to the file location that we configured earlier in the first step. Once you're done filling out all the details, click the create button. Now you have a task that you can run. And hit the execute button. And if you need help setting this up, feel free to schedule a call with us. Here's the demo PDF that we used. This is a basic PDF that kind of includes a lot of the information that a business would normally require, like client, business information, payment, billing, that sort of stuff. After running the Nom Nom Data PDF to JSON converter app, here's the results. You've got first name, last name, as well as everything else that was on the file. You shouldn't, but if you need to troubleshoot anything, schedule a call. So in conclusion, we've kind of shown you how to convert your PDF files to JSON text automatically using the Nom Nom Data app on the Nom node.